So how rich people look at money? Let us answer this first question. How do rich people look at money? So as a rich people, based on my experience, speaking with like a lot of successful people, millionaires and multimillionaires, at the same time, learning from different successful people, millionaires and multimillionaires, and someone like the most of them like very highly achieved. So this is what I have seen, and whenever they are talking about money, okay, the energy is a very pure, I would say. So when I say the energy is very pure, how they look at money is they look at money as a money itself. That means, what does that mean? They give an importance to money, irrespective of how much money they have earned, irrespective of how much money they have in their bank balance, maybe those 40 crores, 50 crores, 100 crores, they still give importance to money. And they are aware of that, that importance which has been given to money, because they know that money has that power, that energy that can solve more than 90% of the problem. But at the same time, not only when it comes to the relationship with money, they give importance. At the same time, they also give an important to maybe the relationship as well, building a trust, as a reputation, as a person as well. But as it's a money divine topic, so when it comes to money, rich people, they give lot of importance to money. They will never ever say that money is root of all evil. They might say that lack of money is root of all evil. And you will find them saying that like money is the root of joy and more comfort. Instead of someone who is poor or the lower middle class who do not have a great relationship with money, they would be saying that, hey, money is the root of all evil. And especially you would see this contradictory statement only because you are influenced more towards the media. Maybe that is the social media, or maybe the television personality, or maybe watching at serial, where you would be seeing that hero talks about money and the villain talks like this about money. That is a character, that is a specific character which you are influenced with. But actually, if you see, money is really important, and rich people see money as money because they know this is very much important. At the same time, they also know that there are so many other things also which is very much important. But for sure, despite of having lakhs and crores of money, they still know that this is something which is very much important. And that's why they work for. That's why they have the business. That's why they are working for that particular money. Okay. And the same question, like how they behave with money. When it comes to behaving with money, this is what I have seen and experienced. The behavior with money is like a very best friend. Now, when I say very best friend, that means they really take care of that. They know where each and every penny goes. They know where, even if they are spending that 1,000 rupees, or irrespective they are spending 1 crore rupees, they know where it is going. We might be in an assumption coming from a background of a poor or a lower middle class or middle class family, we might think, अरे उसके पास इतना पैसा है तो उसको ये भी नहीं पता चलता कि कौन सा पैसे कहां पर जाता है. No, you're wrong. They know each and everything, that where the money is going, where the money is getting invested, where the money is being spent. And that's how they become rich. Because if you don't know, if you're not able to manage that 1,000 rupees, how come you think you will be able to manage that 1 lakh rupees or maybe 1 crore rupees? Right? So that's why it is very much important. The relationship, the way they behave with money is completely different. And they behave with very as a best friend. At the same time, they are very much disciplined with money. And that's why they have that money. The people who are very much disciplined when it comes to money, they are the one who has a lot of money. So the behavior of rich people towards money is very much disciplined, and at the same time, it's a very respectful behavior with money.